Champ.
Hey ngiyabonga ungibize champ kodwa hayi ngathi champ liza kancane awuthi
Triple.
Yeah, ungathi i-champ liza kancane uthi triple.
Yazi kunento enginothisa ngawe champ.
Yeah.
Triple champ.
Hey.
Every time mothatha league ne.
Yeah.
Mothatha league every time. Awuthatha 1 cup. Uthatha 3.
It's true. And mangathi uyakhumbula kahle the last time ngilana ngike ngasho ukuthi iligi sengithathile, it's just that kusele ukuthi ngizoyiphakamisa.
Celebrate, yeah.
Yeah, lana ngizele kuzoyicelebrate. Ngifuna ukubonga the whole team. From the coach, players, supporters, basenzele. Ngizwile ukuthi abantu abe-Chiefs bathe sibabonge ngoba basenzele ifavor. Yeah, angeke ngivume ukuthi i-Chiefs isenzele ifavor ngokubamba i-Sundowns. Okay, nathi today siyenzele ifavor ngokuthi sithathe i-league on the last day, like i-Sundowns mayithathe i-league on the last day from them. So nje thina ifavor yethu is more than
ever.
Askoloti mode.
Chairman.
Yes.
We chairman, we champ.
Ngi chairman, ngi champion, ngi super supporter, ngi referee supporter. Ngiyikho konke is because of Orlando Pirates le team lena sisupporta. Silana today ngihamba nama branch members. Ngicabanga ukuthi bana something to say.
Member.
Othini Putomdala.
Kumnati.
Thina sithi sibonge kakhulu mfethu from day one. From day one until the last day. Savona le team le. Sithi ku Dr. Khumalo no Epichani. Is the show akaze bayilethe South Africa. And mele bona bagqugquzela abadlali. Hayi baqhaka abazali. Abadlali ifuture yethu. Thina masibona la abancane ovilakazi oshabalala. Sibona i-features in South Africa. Hayi ukuthi sicinezele ibhola la eSouth Africa. Today umfukeng unebook yakhe ukuthi ulibhala lodwa athi ngiyisiya ngiyifetha ari ngiyithoma ngiyifetha ari ngingwana papa ari uthatha bana
awusinamaqhegu
utofela kaya alala Orlando Pirates alala Chairman Khoza alala Chuma Fans Orlando Pirates alala Chu Triple Cup alala